What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Beauty by Lydia B. Coming at you with a kind of a Boxy Charm tutorial. Tonight's look is featuring the Glam Metals palette by Crown. And if you haven't seen it, it's got a little guitar mirror. Oof. And these are the colors in the palette. They're all shimmers except for the black. So we used 3 colors. I used punk, I used heavy metal, and then I used black metal. I used 2 different bases, very affordable. NYX Jumbo Pencil in Black Bean, and then the Jumbo Pencil in Iced Mocha. And let's see, I used one of my Wet n Wild brushes. I used my Anastasia Beverly Hills brush that came in one of her palettes. I used the Girlactic Lippy from our box. The color is in Demure, and the Jante Blue, or Jante Blue, however you want to say it, liner in Brown Sugar. I think this came in another Boxy Charm as well. You can look that up. Correct me if I'm wrong. What else? Lashes. Lashes are the Adele's Mega Volume number 251. These are pretty serious for me. I was trying to go for a different lash instead of doing the same lashes. So if I look a little draggish, I'm sorry. But I was just trying something different. Can't always do the same shit all the time, right? Highlight is the NYX Illuminator in the color Ritualistic. This is it. And this highlighter is bomb diggity. That's what you see here, here, and in my inner corner highlight, and above my lip. So if you want to see how I did this look, please keep on watching, and thanks for watching your girl, Beauty by Lydia B, yo. Peace.
Yeah.